What's great about this new Hansshow F9 display, not only that you get airflow coming out of it, but it has a really refined fast processor that also makes things a lot quicker for the Apple CarPlay. And one thing good about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is that if you don't have premium connectivity, you can utilize this Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to get real-time traffic, as we are currently in. This is Friday evening, so that gives you the ability to see traffic ahead, as well as access to Waze for speed trap, police trap, and also accident, which shoulder is it on. Even Tesla connectivity, premium connectivity, does not give you that much detail. So that's one good thing about having this Hansshow F9 display. You also have the ability to see what's in front of you. So holding down the speaker button, let's see here, camera will turn on, and this is the blind spot camera, high definition, which is great. So you see any object that potentially you may hit. Now this is not really useful during driving, but it's pretty cool to look at. However, if you happen to pull up to a steep curve, or you have a lower car, lower Tesla that is, or you have bags, this comes a long way to preventing curve rashes. Also, prevent you from hitting things if you don't have the ultrasonic sensor, because Tesla Vision won't be able to do that when you're in a tight space, especially coming out of a structure, any object in front of you, you won't be able to see it. So check out, link in the description. Make sure you use the discount code to get a huge saving right now before the holidays. Catch you on next time. Remember to subscribe.